Imagine waking up one day to find out that your home, the home you worked your whole life to afford, was no longer yours. And you didn't even know it was happening until you got evicted.
That nightmare is a tragic reality for thousands of New Yorkers, many of them black and brown homeowners from Brooklyn and Queens.
It's called deed theft, one of the most egregious housing injustices in our city.
Deed theft is exactly what it sounds like. A buyer forges or fraudulently obtains a signature from a homeowner, often elderly, and steals someone's home right out from under them.
For many of our neighbors, their home has been the foundation of their security, economic stability, and sense of community over generations. Until recently, there was little recourse for victims of deed theft,
Which only officially became a crime in 2023 thanks to the efforts of State Attorney General Letitia James, State Senator Zelnor Myrie, State Assembly Member Landon Dias, and the People's Coalition to Stop Deed Theft.
which is why I'm proud that our administration is joining tireless advocates, including Councilmember Osei, to tackle this fraud by creating the city's first ever Office of Deed Theft Prevention. This office will educate homeowners across our city wherever this predatory practice is most prevalent.
It will also work with City Council in Albany to explore legislative options, as well as with the offices of the Attorney General and District Attorney to crack down on those who are committing deed theft.
We will use the full force of City Hall to protect those who've been left to struggle alone for so long.